And that's how John got SARS to pay for his holiday. Can you imagine saving towards a goal and on top of that receive money back to either reinvest or to go on a well-deserved holiday? Well, in today's video, we take a look at how to make this possible. Enjoy! We all have to pay tax, and there's usually very little we can do about it. However, if you save towards retirement, your contributions are deductible from your income tax. This means that you will receive a lump sum after completing your tax returns every year. To illustrate my point, I think it's best if I use an example. John, at the age of 35, is a manager at a large corporation and earns an after-tax income of 35,000 Rand per month. John always wondered if there's no way he could pay less tax, seeing that he falls within the tax bracket where he pays 36% tax. After much consideration, John saw his financial planner, who then recommended he take a look at saving towards retirement, with the added benefit of saving tax. This sounded intriguing to John, so they sat down and did his retirement plan. John wanted to retire at the age of 65 and earn the same equivalent of what he's earning now. But here's the crazy thing. For John to earn the same equivalent of what he's earning now at retirement, we need to take into account what inflation does to your money's buying power over time. Inflation can be a scary thing. It destroys your money's buying power over time. Think about how much you could have done with 10 Rand 20 years ago.
Cash money, I'm gonna make it rain.
John will have to earn significantly more at retirement to be able to do the same as today. In actual fact, he'll need to earn just over 200,000 Rand per month at retirement, and that will have the same buying power as 35,000 Rand after tax today. Yep, that's 2.4 million per annum, and that too needs to escalate to keep track with inflation. For John to achieve this, he will need to save, roughly speaking, 48.5 million Rand, and that will only last till the age of 90. John wasn't able to invest the well over 6,000 Rand it required to do so, but he was able to invest 2,500 Rand per month. But what could this possibly mean for John? Well, the 2,500 Rand per month or 30,000 Rand per year could potentially mean a 13.7 million at retirement. Now, although this is not nearly enough, it's a good start.
Oh, fun fact.
Should he have started saving 2 years earlier, he could have potentially had 17.5 million at retirement instead of 13.7. The silver lining to the dark cloud is that by investing towards retirement, you will actually receive money back from SARS every year because it's deductible from tax if you reinvest towards retirement. But how much? For the 30,000 Rand he invested, he will receive back almost 11,000 Rand from SARS. This means that his 30,000 Rand investment only cost him just over 19,000 Rand. And here's the kicker. Thanks to SARS, he already has a 36% return on his investment, plus whatever his 30,000 can grow by additionally. After a year, when the tax season ended, John received his 11,000 Rand, which he could now either use to spend on a nice holiday or reinvest towards retirement. You guessed it, he opted for the holiday. And who can blame him? And that's how John got SARS to pay for his holiday. But just for interest's sake, what if John invested his tax returns every year instead of spending it on a holiday? Would it have made a difference? It could have potentially meant an additional 9 million at retirement.
Listen properly.
9 million. Bringing him much closer to the insane amount of 48.5 million he actually needs. Although this is only a fictitious example, it gives us a good idea of what investing towards retirement could potentially mean for you. If you want to see the real deal and what's possible for you, give us a ring and let's see how much SARS can contribute to your next holiday. Until next time, bye.
Thank you!